Sat Shri Akal, good evening and hello to my TV1 Canada viewers. Today we are here at the Mississauga Convention Centre covering the Punjabi International Film Festival. As you see, we have the red carpet behind us. We'll have lots of people, lots of artists, lots of celebrities and who from the Punjabi film fraternity coming. So join us and be with us. Is this your first film or you've been into many more like these?
It's the first film that I've released. I've made a few short films, but this is the first one to go out into the public.
That's awesome. How do you feel about it? Isn't it a moment of pride?
It is, yeah. I'm actually quite surprised at the reaction this film has gotten. I didn't expect it to get where it has when we made it. So Bob, who is the director of the film, and I are both very surprised by all of the attention it's getting. So it's great to be here.
I just wanted to know, what's your inspiration behind this movie?
The inspiration is a true story, my brother's story. My brother is gay, and when he was accidentally outed in high school for being gay, he was bullied for it, and he never returned to high school as a result of this experience. So he told me this story. He's not my blood brother, he's my adopted brother, and he told me this story, and I thought it would make a really good film, so I've made it for him in his honor.
Do you think this film is really going to bring an awakening which is so much required in today's society?
I think it will. It's already been picked up by a program called Out in Schools, which is against homophobia and bullying. So it will be shown in high schools across Canada very soon. So we're hoping it makes a difference.
Please?
My name is Jazz Verk.
You're the one who's made a movie.
Yes. I made Madame Kali,
Okay.
and I'm sure the director's cut today, and 5 of my music videos. And then Sunday I'm off to Cannes.
Well, I just want to know a bit about the movie which you have directed. Anything you really want to tell us what's happening in the movie?
Oh, for sure. The film was inspired and is dedicated to Jyoti, the gang rape victim from Delhi. So I wanted to make a film, a revenge film. It's a horror entertaining film with Kali Ma comes to life and takes care of this man for all the injustice to all the women in the world.
Definitely, I think it's a great topic which you've picked up, and it's so much prevalent in the South Asian community. I think which is something you've really done a great job. Just wanted to know, did you have any challenges when you were making this movie?
The challenges was to get an actor to play Kali Ma the way I wanted, because it was a very, very risky job, because she had to be naked and body painted blue and with all the tongue. And so that was one of the challenges, finding an Indian actress that understood the reason why I'm doing this. And it was wonderful when she did. Shobna did a great job.
Bravo to you, really bravo. I wish you good luck and wish you do really well, and looking forward for many more projects like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Sure, my name is Samrat Chakrabarti.
Are you in any movie or are you a guest here tonight?
Well, I'm very honored to be a guest here tonight. I have 2 films at this festival. One is a feature film, an actor, the lead actor in. It's called Shabak Alo Apcha. It's a Bengali film. It's playing on Sunday at 4 o'clock. And the other one, I am the writer-director of a film called Late Late. It's a short film.
So what are you expecting today with this coming on in the Punjabi International Film Festival? What kind of a response are you looking from the people?
I am looking, what's amazing is I'm from New York City. So this is an amazing, incredible response that I'm getting of support, of a community, which is beautiful, and it's great that it's beyond, it crosses borders, it's about being South Asian and sharing the love.
I think it's just the cross culture which takes us so far.
Exactly.
What's your inspiration for this movie, Samrat?
Well, the one that I'm in is Shabak Alo Apcha. The director is Ringo Banerjee. And I think what Ringo is doing is a technical wizard. So I think what he's doing is sort of bringing Bengali cinema to another level, specifically technically. It's almost like a Hitchcockian thriller. The short film that I've written and directed is called Late Late, and it's about a guy who is always running late. The log line is, nothing makes a man run like a woman does. I don't know if that's true. If you think it's true,
Very
but
much.
it's certainly true where I come from.
Could I have your name, please?
Crystal Kidden.
And you're taking care. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yes, absolutely. So I have a short film that'll be showing here tomorrow afternoon called Thy Beauty's Doom in memory of Maple Battaglia, who was a young woman who was gunned down a couple of years ago in Surrey at the SFU campus. And she was a young model, artist, aspiring doctor. So we've set up actually a bursary in her name with the Battaglia family to raise funds for women who want to pursue the arts as a career.
What inspired you for this movie?
Maple and her artistry. She was, I'm also like a dancer, performer, singer, and we're from a very similar town, almost like small town, like in BC from Vancouver. And but Maple inspires me because she inspired me to make this film because she was such an incredible artist, and I didn't want that to get lost. I wanted to pay a tribute to her.
I think it's an awesome thought behind it, that it's something, you're looking down for somebody which normally people do not do. Just a little bit more wanted to know, like, what do you feel the response of the public would be for a movie like this?
I really hope that that they get a window into the type of person that Maple was. I think when you're an artist, I think it's an opportunity, it's a window into your soul, and she was taken far too soon from us. And so this is the perfect festival to be launching this film because it's a part of our community, the Punjabi community, and it's a deep wound that we feel, and we need to start to heal as a community. And I think a big part of that is to start empowering youth and educating them and empowering women not to feel ashamed to want to become artists, Like I think that's something that unfortunately gets passed down through for whatever reason. And so I want to give young women a voice, and she was doing her thing and she had so much potential. So, hopefully this will just keep her legacy moving forward.
It's a great thought. Thank you so much, and we really wish you good luck and want to see many more projects coming from you again and again and lots more. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Navdeep Bobby Judge, and I have my film The Split. That's a featurette that's going to be screened. We have a world premiere on Sunday. And so looking forward for the world premiere.
What's the inspiration for this movie, Bobby?
This film is about a domestic issue. So it's about a small family that actually goes through a divorce, and what's the impact of that divorce on the child. So it's more about collaboratively, it's focusing on a kid that, what does the child goes through when the parents get divorced, what are the expectations of a kid from the family, and can family give whatever a kid is asking for in his life. So hopefully this film turns out to be a nice success like my other film. Last year I came with a short film, it was named One Day. And this year it's The Split, so hopefully, looking forward.
Bobby, wishing you all the best for this movie, and I'm sure it's going to go great guns. Thank you so much and enjoy your evening.
Let's go. Okay, my name is Babu.
Hello, my name is Just Rain.
And I am Fateh.
And I'm Rupal.
What brings you all to the PIF?
PIF is a great opportunity to showcase South Asian talent, showcasing the culture, the creative arts, whether it be filming, acting, modeling, painting, singing, music, everything. So, our crew is so diverse. We have a bunch of talented people in the back here as well. Yep. And so this is such a great opportunity for us to kind of showcase.
You know how they say, "Tarti nahi labni Punjab vargi."
What really inspires all of you?
You know how they say, "Tarti nahi labni Punjab vargi." I need tarti.
Every year we talk about what can we do this year to make our red carpet walk at PIF that much more better. So that motivates us to every year work. And
harder
to be
and harder.
interviewed
There you go.
by such beautiful hosts, I mean,
There you go.
that in itself is a great motivation.
That's great to hear. Tell me something, which is, I'm sure you guys are facing a lot of challenges. Is it something real you feel you can change around the world for people like you, newcomers like you?
Yep.
Better answer.
Well, to answer, I guess, we're very unique looking people,
Yes.
I guess you could say.
Yeah.
And
I guess it's helped normalizing the look of Singhs and Sardar. So I mean,
You don't see too many. So now, Jasmeet's giving us this platform, and we're all coming out. So,
everybody has worked on their own.
And you don't see someone like me too.
Yeah,
I have a pug inside.
Beautiful.
No, but seriously, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि for the newcomers, for the youngsters, कोई message हैगा, something which really takes them out of what they are really thinking?
Yeah, follow your dreams and your passion. I know it's really cliche. I know
Very
it sounds
cliche.
very like, you know, oh, come on, man, you could have said something better. But if you're truly passionate about something, do follow it. And especially we need more people in the arts in our community, more people doing films, more people, whether it be rapping, whether it be comedy, whether it be movies, whether it be anything at all, you know, actors, anything. We need more people in the public limelight. We have a lot of doctors, we have a lot of engineers, you know, we have a lot of people doing those types of things. But I think the main focus is that we need to get more people in these fields so we can kind of present ourselves and represent ourselves to the rest of the world.
I think we're a creative culture, and I think that we don't utilize our creativity all the time. So I think that's what we need to focus on, you know?
Yeah, I think it's very important to express yourselves, you know what I mean? So parents, please support your kids if they want to express yourself through art, through music, through dance. Support them. It's definitely good.
And hashtag Sachigal, I believe, to that.
Sport zarur chahiye, you know?
Sports.
One tune or one song which you all want to hum for us.
Skype.
No, we gotta do this.
Skype.
Skype ਉੱਤੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ Skype ਉੱਤੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ
Very good.
ਫਿਫ ਰੈਡ ਕਾਰਪਟ ਤੇ ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ
My name is Barkha Madan.
Barkha, are you in a movie or is there anything, I mean, what brings you to PIF? Let me ask that.
Okay, so like you see, I'm a Buddhist nun. But before I became a Buddhist nun, I was an actress. And there's a film here playing called Surkhab, which I am acting in. It's a full-length feature, and also I co-produced it. The director of the film is called Sanjay Talreja. He's Toronto-based. The film is shot in Toronto, as well as shot in Punjab, in 25 days flat. And so we finished this film in 25 days, and it's won a lot of awards across the globe. So now it's hometown, so we have to bring it here. And I'm very, very happy that PIF invited us here for this film.
It's a pleasure to hear. I mean, was there something which really got you onto the movie, which got you hooked onto the movie, or was it just your gut feeling that you wanted to do it?
Well, both. First of all, the story itself is very intriguing. We seldom get to see women-based stories, and especially something more meaningful. You know, women are usually used as a prop in a movie. When Sanjay gave us the script, I would say this is a really good script. It's a very moving story. So in my heart, I feel that cinema is a very powerful medium, and it has to have some entertainment value and some information and some thought-provoking ideas. It has to go together.
I think it's a very, very noble thought, and I really, really agree with you. That is something which we really need to bring into every person, to take a second view or a second step to movies and see that they are educating as well as entertaining. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you a very nice evening.
Thank you very much. Thank you.